Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into the opulent world of the 2024 Bentley Flying Spur, a machine that embodies power, refinement, and timeless elegance. Strap yourselves in, because we're taking you on a journey through its majestic design, exhilarating performance, and the pinnacle of automotive craftsmanship. Exterior: the Flying Spur's exterior stuns with its imposing presence. The signature Bentley grille, now wider and bolder, commands attention. Crisp lines flow seamlessly across the sculpted body, culminating in a powerful stance that whispers, "I arrive." Opt for the Azure model for a touch of serenity, with its calming paint options and chrome details gleaming like moonlight. Interior: inside, the Flying Spur is a haven of handcrafted luxury. The finest leathers, hand-stitched with meticulous precision, caress every surface. Wood veneers, chosen for their unique grain and character, warm the ambience. Technology seamlessly integrates, hidden behind rotating Bentley emblems for a touch of magic. Imagine sinking into the optional rear bucket seats, enjoying a massage while admiring the starlight headliner. Pure bliss. But the Flying Spur is not just a pretty face. Beneath the hood lies a choice of powertrains that thrill. The V8 roars with authority, propelling you from 0 to 100 km/h in a blink. Or, choose the plug-in hybrid, enjoying silent electric cruising and the exhilarating surge of combined power. Whichever you choose, the Flying Spur handles with surprising agility, its all-wheel drive and advanced suspension ensuring a smooth and confident ride. The Flying Spur is an extension of your individuality. With Bentley's extensive customization options, you can tailor it to your exact desires. Choose from an array of colors, leathers, woods, and even create your own bespoke stitching patterns. Remember, a Flying Spur is more than a car, it's a legacy, a statement of refined taste and success. The 2024 Bentley Flying Spur is more than just a car, it's an experience. It's a fusion of power, grace, and unparalleled craftsmanship. If you seek the ultimate expression of luxury and performance, the Flying Spur awaits. Visit your local Bentley dealer and embark on your own journey of automotive excellence. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.